पुलिस का जुल्म
बंद करो,
पुलिस का जुल्म
बंद करो,
एडवोकेट के ऊपर पुलिस का जुल्म
बंद करो,
पुलिस जुल्म
बंद करो,
पुलिस जुल्म
बंद करो,
पुलिस जुल्म
बंद करो,
एडवोकेट के ऊपर पुलिस जुल्म
बंद करो,
एडवोकेट के ऊपर पुलिस जुल्म
बंद करो,
We want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
Advocate Protection Act should be
Implemented.
Advocate Protection Act should be
Implemented.
Immediately. अभी का अभी चाहिए हमको अभी का अभी
అడ్వకేట్ల పైన జరుగుతున్న దాడులను ఖండించండి. అడ్వకేట్ల పైన జరుగుతున్న దాడులను
ఖండించాలి.
వర్ధిల్లాలి. అడ్వకేట్ల ఐక్యత
వదిలాలి.
बंद करो
पुलिस जुल्म बंद करो,
बंद करो
पुलिस जुल्म बंद करो,
We want
justice.
Mohammed Abdul Kalim hai. I am the counsel for the 21 petitioners who filed the writ petitions. Writ petition number 25738 of 2023, which is having relevancy subjected matter in this. Now the subject is which before this situation. According to the writ petitions, the Hyderabad district collector is bound and a strict in accordance with law. In this specific case has to be inquiry conducted upon the Saidabad Tehsil office and their staff entire. And that subjected matter there to intimate on behalf of my petitioners. On behalf of my petitioners, at the place where the law and order is disturbed, I observed that. As my clients and I, as a law-abiding citizens, so it is my duty on behalf of my citizens to intimate the concerned officers to the spot to intimate that in this protest, in this dharna, my petitioners and as a council, there is no having any concern and relevancy for this dharna and all these illegal acts. We are waiting, we are bound for the legal acts. So we are waiting from the call, concern and competent authority, and I have the contents of this High Court order in my hands, and this copy I would like to give the concerned SHO is on duty in this jurisdiction. That is my first preference. Based on that, I called to the SHO of the Madanapet PS, and call is on recorded, and he called me on the same space, and upon that instructions I went there, and I hand over that copy of the Honorable High Court. This is the content, it is not bound upon you. This is the only relevancy matter which pertains to the concerned revenue authorities for whom you are serving here under your jurisdiction. So another thing I would like to remind you, sir, these 21 petitioners in this writ subjected matter, they have no any concern here under this dharna and protest. This is the illegal act, I intimated. But the circumstances was in such that it takes some time to understand the SHO. But later, I finished my work and went out. After 2 o'clock, next date, change, 28 to 29. At night, when I from the outside came at the same spot, because at second floor, my residence there. My mother is there, along with my mother stay there. When I was there and I went to sleep there. I was sleeping without removing my socks, just remove, and phone was behind mine. From the outside, I hear the shoutings, filthy languages, and I came out and I saw. जब मैं देखने के बाद में पुलिस ऑफिसर्स जो है ना, दे आर तिरतुनार अंदर आडल लगे. I don't know in what way they want to control the situation. That is, they know well. But as me, as a counsel, what I was requested there to the authorities, sir, whatever the situations, you have to be control the situations in accordance with law. Due process of law you need to follow. Those who are doing offense, you have to proceed in accordance with law. But పద్ధతి ఏంటి అది మనం తెలుసుకోవాలి. ఆ పద్ధతి ప్రకారం మన మాట నోట్లకి కంట్రోల్ చేసుకోవాలి. Because the SHO is the concern, ACP is the concern, under their jurisdiction, their subordinates doing wrong, then the answer and the liability will be go to that higher officers. I requested, I was the time to that concerned police team, mind the language just also, that is my request, humbly and politely. But one of the persons, I don't know who's, పుట్టోడు ఉంటారు, ఇట్లా బాల్ ఉండదు, సివిల్ డ్రెస్ ఉంటారు, అతను మళ్ళీ SI, I don't know the names, but I can identify all them. One of the SHO. So he started snatch my mobile from my hand. My hand, he snatched the mobile and they dragged me and beaten me. All are in available in the my well-wishers make the videos there. And I said, requested, sir, I'm a counsel, I'm an advocate. Moreover, the surrounding ladies are there who know me, but I think I don't know most of them in that block in that buildings, they said, intimated to that officers all, he's the advocate. Sir, advocate garu unnaru ante kuda పట్టుకొని కొట్టి నాకు డ్రాగ్ చేసి తీసుకుపోయి ఆ బండిలో ఇట్లా డంప్ చేశారు. ఐ హావ్ నథింగ్ ఐ హావ్ డిడ్. ఐ స్మైల్. ఇఫ్ యూ మేక్ మై బాడీ పీసెస్ ఐ విల్ స్మైల్ ఫర్ దట్. బట్ వాట్ ద వర్డ్ హీ యూజ్డ్, I can't repeat that because it's defaming to my judiciary systems. I have written in my complaint all that words. So I don't want to repeat that. If anyone needs, please go through that complaint. I humbly request, but don't repeat that statements and don't force me to repeat that statements.
What is your name? He said Marat.
बोलो जी
What happened? बोलिए कैसे
बोलो कुछ भी नहीं होता बोलो
नहीं बोलो भाई कैसे लेके गए
I'm dragging in the vehicle where the already females, उस वकील में, बड़ी वकील में, जहाँ पे वो लोग मेरे को थ्रो कर दिए, पूरा उठा के फेंक दिए, जहाँ मेरे को बहुत पेन हुआ. मैं आई कांट बेयर एट दैट टाइम. सो दिस इज द नॉट द वे, प्रॉपर वे. इफ आई एम इवन द कल्प्रिट, इफ आई एम एन अक्यूज, देयर इज सम ड्यू प्रोसेस ऑफ लॉ. दे नीड टू बी फॉलो. द अथॉरिटी इज बाउंड टू देयर. दे टेक द ओथ एट द टाइम ऑफ वोट. दे आर वेयरिंग दिस ड्रेस. दे विल टेक द ओथ. सो व्हाट इज द अगेन स्टोरी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हियर. When the ladies inside, they said he is not belongs to our बस्ती, हमारे बस्ती का ये नहीं होता. तो from there they again dragged me and started beating the SI and another constable and started the beating and me, and in my jaws and my legs and chest, and what they said, the words in Telugu language, which is already saying, ఎవరా అడ్వకేట్ అంటే ఏంట్రా, ఏం పీకిస్తారా మీ అడ్వకేట్స్, ఏం పీకిస్తారు అడ్వకేట్కి, మీ అడ్వకేట్కి. నేను చెప్పాను ఆ వర్డ్స్. జస్ట్ యూ గో టు ద కంప్లైంట్ ప్లీజ్. జస్టిస్ ఇస్ దేర్. దే హ్యావ్ abused the judges. So I can't bear. This is happened. They want to provoke me by saying that words, and when they beaten me, and they along with them took SI and another one, they provoked me at their extent. And they are, at last they took me at the patrol car is there in the dark shed, where they very brutally attacked me without any injury in its stomach and chest. When I am unconscious, I asked them, sir tamaru parenti sir cheppandi. మొగుడు రా, నేను మొగుడు, అందరికీ అడ్వకేట్స్కి మొగుడు. ఇంకా నేను చెప్పాను, ఐ హ్యావ్ రిటన్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వర్డ్స్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్. In that patrol car, already 2 persons stood there in collision with their one driver without wearing the belt. He was driving the car, and another one beside there. I told them, I requested them, who is this officer who is defaming to the entire police department, because I am also witnessing the entire police department is not full like these persons. Honest persons are there. They are earning every month salary. They will dedicate to for social work. These kinds of officers available in this police department, Telangana police department. But few department peoples they are defaming not only their mothers, but they are defaming to other mothers also. So that the words, I am unable to sleep. Wherever I am seeing the police, this dress, this advocates, these courts, the words, wherever I am watching the mother. I can't stay outside my door, because when I am staying this face with my face, the peoples are feeling how much I am feeling that much of guilty. What kind of sin I did that? What is my value among there? Who will come to me for justice? I have no value. They defamed me and my profession. They make not only they defamed, they damaged my initial career one.
Respected President of the Bar Association of City Civil Court and the Secretary Mr. Harshavardhan and his other members who are elected society members, I request before you all and before the honorable courts, to this media and before the police department up to the level of DGP, the commissioner and all other officials of the police, that this act of yourself as the subordinates of PS Santosh Nagar, that is Madanna Pet, that is SHO, ACP and the SIs and the other constables who were involved in that incident with Mr. Kaleem.
This is the third time. Last month ago, in the Sangareddy, same situation has happened against the advocate who stands for the justice of the people, and they beaten continuously and his hand was broken. And this is the second and third time the police use the misconduct. What is the use of uniform? The police department of Hyderabad are misusing the dress uniform, and we are standing against the culprits and misleading of the dress, and we will not till the judgment, till the suspension of Adannapet and Saidabad police, we will not tolerate, and this should not be again.
4 बजे निकाल कर तशद्दुद और जुल्म के ठिकाने लगाना ये बहुत ही निहायत ही नाकबूल है हमारे लिए, और इसके खिलाफ बिल्कुल सख्त कार्रवाई होना चाहिए टिल द सस्पेंशन ऑफ दैट ऑफेंडर पुलिस ऑफिशियल्स. थैंक यू सो मच.
The action of the police Madannapet is high-handedness, Hyderabad, and especially the incident which took place with Kaleem is a condemnable act. That police is acting as a goon, not as an officer. This is not the character of a police who is under a code and who is defined with the code that it has to function with code which is given to them as per law. This act of high-handedness is to be condemned, and the police who is behaving like a goons are to be restrained, and the police who has misbehaved with Mr. Kaleem those are to be suspended. And now the repeated action of the police and behavior, what they are thinking is that there is no one above us. You are a person who are paid a salary by taxes, not by yourself, and we are the persons who defend the society with, as per law. So kindly I am again reminding Honorable CP sir that don't behave in this manner. It will be high time that you will be taught a lesson that it will be a history. Why? Because you are not behaving like a police. You are behaving like a goons. This is not the way. This is not the character behavior expected by you. You are a dressed person. You have got some dignity. So maintain the dignity. Not that you are behaving like a rowdies. Police station is not your house. It is a public place meant for you. You are the officer who have to protect law and order, not to take law into hand. But if in Hindi one proverb is there, जब रक्षक भक्षक बन गया तो क्या करना चाहिए? तो पब्लिक को जो है ना जब डंडा लेना पड़ता. That is I am requesting my humble President sir and Chairman of Bar Council sir. This is very high time now. We require immediate implementation of Advocate Protection Act. Our all brother demand is that we demand Advocate Protection Act. This is the high time, and now it is to be on all the police persons who are involved in this kind of stupid activity. I say stupid. I repeat my word, stupids. Those are stupid fellows who have who has abused their power. So there should be an FIR book against them, and immediately they should be suspended. No second thing. They should be suspended immediately. Nothing. So I again demand the Honorable CP sir, immediately you have to take an action. Otherwise, this agitation will come to your office directly, and we advocates by walk will come to and all the street of Hyderabad will be jammed by the advocates. No, and we'll go for a bend down. So I again request that please stop these brutal activities.